Hello, welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of USDCHF US dollar Swiss franc. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis. And do not forget to check out the Forex Analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. So let's get started. So this is the 4 hours chart of USDCHF US dollar Swiss franc. Yes, I'm in my favorite 4 hours time frame. As we all know, US dollar Swiss franc was trading in a narrow tight range before the FOMC meeting, and after the FOMC meeting, as we all know, dollar became very strong, and currency pairs the euro, USDCHF, USD CAD became also strong. They went upside when dollar was going up. On the other hand, currency pairs the euro, USD, GBP, USD saw heavy selling pressure when dollar was going upside. And during this week, just like other currency pairs, market remained almost flat, or there was not much volatility in the market. As we all know, volatility in the market always shifts, which means that market always move from higher volatility to lower volatility and lower volatility to higher volatility. When market was very volatile, extremely bullish in the previous week, I clearly mentioned that market will be taking rest for 1 or 2 days, and clearly we can see that yes, I was not expecting that market would be taking rest for a whole week, but yes, market took rest for the whole week and market remained flat for most of the days. And you can see that I have also got these Fibonacci levels on the chart. When market was coming down, or market was in a resting mode, we were hoping that market will bounce from this Fibonacci level. Yes, market did respect. Okay, there is no doubt. You can clearly see on the chart that market did respect the Fibonacci level of 23.6. But bulls did not have the strength, or bulls did not have the power to take the price upward. And you can see that almost the whole week market remained flat, or market remained at the 23.6 level. And during the last trading session, when market when market came down little bit, the 50 moving average came up. Okay, the 50 moving average came up and provided the support to the market. Let me remove the Fibonacci level so that you can see clearly. So you can see that when price fell, it took support at the 50 moving average, and right now we can see that market is near the 50 moving average. And if you just concentrate on this particular chart right now, forget about the FOMC meeting, forget about dollar became strong, forget everything, and just concentrate on this particular portion of the chart, then you can easily see that there is not much movement in the market. And as I have already mentioned, volatility always shifts, which means that if a market is flat right now, that means market is gathering strength and it will be giving you some good moves in the coming days. So market is flat right now, or market remain flat for a whole 1 week. That means market will be giving us some good moves in the coming week or in the coming days. Okay. So what should be a strategy for Monday then? Okay. Okay. For Monday, you can see that I have got two lines over here. Okay. 0.9238 on the upside. This is the resistance. Okay. So 0.92 is the resistance for the market, and we have got 50 moving average as the support for the market right now. So your first and foremost duty is to observe the market after the market opening. As we all know, after the market opening on Monday, market remains flat for the first couple of hours. Okay. Wait for the market to gather some momentum, wait for the market to give you some proper direction. Because see, if market remains flat, then you cannot do anything. We cannot make money in a market if the market does not move. Therefore, wait for the market to give you some proper direction. If you see on Monday, market taking support at the 50 moving average. If you see market taking support at the 50 moving average and bouncing, then you can go for a buy order, because the market is in the oversold zone for quite some time, And if we look at this candle, then there is a good possibility that market will be respecting 50 moving average as the support. Therefore, on Monday, if you see market taking support at the 50 moving average and market forming hammer kind of a candlestick pattern or price rejection from below, then you can go for a buy order. But on the other hand, keep your eyes on the dollar index as well. As I've clearly mentioned, when dollar became strong, currency pairs like USD CAD, USD CHF also started going upside. Therefore, if dollar remains bullish on Monday, if dollar remains strong on Monday, then you can clearly hope that market will also be going up, USD CHF. Because see, we can clearly hope that this was a pullback and market will be going up from here, because after this huge upturn, market took rest, and for the last 3 days market formed long leg dojis with good price rejection from below. So the present setup of US dollar easily telling us the giving us a signal that it is about to go up now. Therefore, there's a good possibility that if dollar starts going up, if dollar gets bullish enough, then we will also see some good buying pressure here. And if you buy here, then this will be your take profit 0.9238, because market failed to cross this level. On the other hand, if market crosses this level on Monday, then also you can go for buy order, but you need to wait for at least 4 to 6 hours. As I always say, confirmation is always important, because without confirmation you cannot risk your hard-earned money. Once market gives you a breakout or market crosses this level, wait for 4 to 6 hours and just try to read the market emotion. Just try to understand the market psychology. If you see that price is trading comfortably above the level, then you can go for a buy order, because you'll get the confirmation that the resistance has become the support now. And once resistance becomes the support, then you can go for a buy order above this level. But right now, wait for the market opening on Monday and just try to observe the price. On the other hand, if market crosses this level, this black line, or this not support, this black line, then we can hope that market may get some support at this trend line here. Okay, but that's not important right now. Okay, let the market open on Monday. Let's see how the price reacts. We can hope that the 50 moving average will provide some support to the market. In case market fails to get the support, in case if you see some good selling pressure with good volume on Monday, then you can short the market, because the present setup is not that convincing. Yes, market was bullish, but right now market is flat, and there is a possibility that market may give us a breakdown, or market may give us a breakout on the downside. Therefore, wait for the market. Okay, wait for the market to give you a clear sense of direction, so that you can get the best trading opportunity. Okay. And if market bounces from the 50 moving average, then you can go for a buy order. Okay. But keep your eyes on the US dollar as well, because bulls do not have the strength right now. So let's see how the market reacts on Monday. So this is it. Hopefully you've understood. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. See you on Monday.